Sabi natin, ano bang ibig sabihin ng Bagong Pilipinas? I believe here he tried to lay down what he believes is necessary to have that Bagong Pilipinas. So, yan, pag may edukasyon ka, maraming makapag-aral, accessible healthcare, may e-governance pa, very, very detailed. In fact, I have to say, no, lahat namang, I'm sure whoever helped preparing for the speech, no, clearly, tinignan ng survey, tinignan ng yung hinanap ng tao at sinagot talaga yan, tinugunan.
Pati maliliit na bagay, napansin niya, no? Pati yung basketball ata, sports, ay napuna din ng Pangulo.
It's very clear pa. I think they wanted to lay down anong vision for what he wants the country to be. Actually, the word I wanted to use is ambitious, no? Kasi, napakaganda ng sinabi niya, no? Kaya nga my only concern is, or kumbaga, I think we should all be concerned is, magandang sinabi, sana ma-deliver lahat.
Yun,
Kasi,
sana magkaroon katuparan,
yes,
no?
because for example, sa healthcare, napakaganda ng sinabi, no? If you have problems with your kidney disease, heart problem, if you're watching, kung karaniwang tao, isip mo, wala nang isip na problema. Pagka magkasakit. Pero if you look at the fine print, no? Pumunta ka lang sa bawat DOH hospital para kunin to. Ilan po bang DOH hospital sa buong bansa? We're talking about 77 different establishment, 77 different hospitals. Na hindi naman po lahat pare-parehong kalidad.
Yes.
In fact, hindi lahat yan ng centers are real hospitals. Some of them are like drug centers, etc. So, I do hope, no, dahil napakilaki ng taas expectations ng tao after to, is I hope that PhilHealth and DOH really work together to really deliver all of these sinabi. Actually, yung marami dito sa announcements about PhilHealth, na-announce naman ata ng PhilHealth prior.
Yes.
The real issue now is how do they deliver on that? That's really, yung sa flooding, kanina, we talked about it.
Yes,
Posible
natin, no?
he had to address the issue, and it was really a very straightforward
nagkaroon nga ng standing ovation doon sa part na yun.
Yes.
Yung binabalaan niya yung mga... At ipinapa-audit niya.
Tama, in 3 years.
Yung listahan ng mga flood control project, titingnan at alin doon yung effective, meron o ghost project lang.
Kung nasa kayong termino, sana sana ginawa niya 15 taon eh. Pero yun lang, the term niya, 3 years.
Sa bagay. Pero dun sa delivery na, kasi napansin ko dun sa first, second, third zona niya ay hindi katulad nito. Talagang iba itong pagkakagawa ng zona ngayon. Dahil purong wikang Pilipino.
Mga 90% ay Tagalog.
Oo, walang halos sentence sa English.
doon lang sa foreign